I have great pleasure in presenting to you another timeless treasure.
A Task of Wheels TV! Do you like classic vehicles? Then please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on the like button because it does something very special. It makes you younger.
Ooh, I feel better already.
Hello classic motorbike connoisseurs, welcome back to another mouth-watering mechanical masterpiece. This one features some legendary Hondas, okay, from the 60s right through until 82. So without further ado, let's take a trip down memory lane. Here we have the Honda CA77 Dream, followed by the CB450 that came out in 65, and this one is the CB400F that first made an appearance in 75, followed by the CB750 of 69, and this one's the Honda GL1000 Gold Wing. And finally, this one's the CBX1000. Do you currently own one of these legendary motorcycles, or have you recently restored one? Please feel free to comment, or even better, leave a video response of your restored Honda masterpiece. Thanks for watching.
Please feel free to pop by at my art prints and collectibles gallery at artofwheels.co.uk.
Oh no! I'm afraid we've run out of time. But just before you go, please leave thumbs up below. And if you'd like to see more amazing video clips like this,
subscribe to the channel
by clicking on the icon up in the sky. A Task of Wheels TV!